Hi you guys, today we're gonna be making some turkey wings. Turkey wings. Yes, I know my shirt's on backwards. Turkey wings. Hey, turkey wings. Hey, turkey wings. Hey. Okay. All right, guys. I went to Food Depot and got these turkey wings that come in a bag. This is how the bag look. You get 4 of them for $9.99. I'm gonna hold them up so you can see them. I already washed them and checked for peppers. They're pretty decent. You get 4 of them. Oh, I still see some little hairs on this. Oh my God, Sylvia. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? This is one little hairy bird. Whew. Okay. All right. So the first thing, we got them washed, got them clean. Let's get our seasoning together. Let me get a bowl. Because as you guys know, I don't like putting my hands touching this, that, and the third and the other. Got a bowl for my seasoning. Got some seasoning on. And with turkey wings, you have to make sure they well seasoned, because they'll go left on you in a heartbeat. Got some black pepper. I should have got the thing, but I just shook it enough. Let's go. Got some garlic powder. Onion powder. Ooh, ooh, that pepper. Some complete seasoning. I got some chicken and herbs. Chicken, garlic, and herbs. I'm just crumbling herbs. Got that. Excuse me. I did put my arm up. That black pepper, baby, is no joke. Let's add a little lemon pepper to it. Whew. I don't think I need no more pepper. The way this pepper tear my nose up. I got a little spicy sriracha. Just add a little bit to it. All right. So before we do that, we're gonna go in with some avocado oil. Let's get them ready. Get them ready for the party. Where's my dog barking? I don't know why he's barking. I don't see nobody out here. Okay. Make sure you got them good and oiled. So when you hit your seasoning on there, you're working with something. So let's go in here. Can you guys see me? No, I don't think so. Hold on. Ooh, this seasoning. Tear my nose up, baby. Tear my nose up. So I want to make sure we get every wing covered. Every wing seasoned, every wing covered. Nose just toe up from the floor up. Come on, baby. Season that backside. I hate to bite into something and only half of it be seasoned, the other half be dry and not seasoned. Oh, man, that just tears me apart. Make sure everything in here is seasoned. I'm going to add a little bit more to it, because I ain't got time for that. For my food not to be seasoned well. Hold on, let me wash my hand. Whew. I know I washed my hand 50 times. I'm telling y'all, this pepper went in my nose the wrong way. So we're we're gonna hit it. I don't want no more pepper. Then that's with no pepper in it. Gonna hit it with some more of this garlic and chicken and herbs one. A little more of this seasonal one. Just want to make sure everything is seasoned to perfection. Whew. That really got my nose tingling like a mother sucker. A little more onion powder. Onion powder. Okay. Now, they're ready. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeVille. Got them all seasoned. Well seasoned. Alrighty. Now we're going to put them in the pan. So I have this Dutch oven. I'm going to have to bring it over here. Hope I can carry it in my hand. It's heavy. I have to move that out of my way. Okay. I have this Dutch oven that I'm going to cook it in the oven. So before I put that in, let's go down with the raw. I have my onions already cut up to go in the pan. I got a little peppers that I cut up to go in the pan because I want to make sure I get that in the pan first. And I'm going to hit it with this chicken broth to go in the pan because I want to make sure that I don't want to wash my seasoning off my turkey wings. So I used the chicken broth that I had left, and I'll go in with my turkey wings. These things so big. I got to strategically put these in the pan. Put it this way. And last one. Number 4. And to ensure that I'm not missing nothing, I'm taking in my season and pour it in there. Yes, I am. Oh, yes, she is. And she's going to add a little water to it. And I did not pour it over there. I poured it in there. All right. Hold on, guys. I got to wash my hands again. Okay. Clean my handle off because I touched it with my hand. Okay. So this is how it looks. And next thing, I have to get my husband to put it in the oven because I can't pick it up. I have my oven preheated on 350 degrees. So let me show you what that looks like, what the pot looks like. It's heavy at the top. Got my turkey wings in there. Okay. Baby! Can you put this in the oven for me? Thank you, babe. I got it open for you. I don't know. I might have to go up on the shelf. Let me put a thing on. I'm going to take a shelf up in the oven. And put it on one side because I got to put my candy yams in it. Thank you. All right, you guys. So we got our turkey wings in the oven. I'm gonna come back. I'm finna to my candy yams have boiled. I'm finna get ready to make them up. So my sweet potato boil. I'm finna make some candy yams. I'm finna drain those, clean up, and then get ready for that. All right, I'll be back. All right, you guys. I have took my turkey wings off because I want to crisp up my skin. And I got them in there 400 degrees. I got the juice and all the goodness at the bottom. I'm finna make a gravy. Then I'm gonna pour it on top. And I took some of the juice off earlier and threw together some dressing for my turkey wings. All right, stay tuned. All right, you guys, we have just pulled the gravy over the turkey wings. Let me zoom in so you can get a good look at it. Baby, that's goodness right there. My husband can't wait to eat them. Then it has the gravy at the bottom. All right, come on through. If you like this commentary more, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.